uniform taxation system for the country. However, doubts and questions about the effectiveness of the bill remain. At an interactive session in the city today, senior Supreme Court lawyer and tax consultant J.K. Mittal explained the benefits of the uniform taxation system.
Whether the prices will come down or increase, only the time will tell. Whatever the rate of tax you are hearing, 18%, 20% or whatever, that will not be the only rate of tax. What we are all confused that one rate of tax will be there. No.
Industrialist Arun Agarwal said, when GST is fully implemented, taxes will come down and prices will go down.
Presently, in the present tax system, we do not have full credit benefit being passed on from one to another. Now, under the GST regime, in this GST mechanism, the entire credit chain will be complete. So, since the credit chain will be complete, the entire benefit of tax on various input services will be passed on to the consumer. So,